Sunny and Wren, the Space Race. Linnea loved helping her grandmother in the garden. This year, they decided to grow giant sunflowers. Linnea carefully filled 2 pots with rich, dark soil. "Now for the seeds," Grandma said. "We will do an experiment, Linnea. In this first pot, we will plant 3 seeds far apart." Linnea gently tucked 3 tiny seeds into the soil of the spacious pot. In the second pot, Grandma asked Linnea to plant 20 seeds right next to each other. "We will call this the crowded pot," Grandma explained. Linnea thought it looked like a tiny, bumpy city underground. Linnea watered both pots exactly the same amount and placed them side by side on the sunny patio. Soon, tiny green sprouts poked through the soil. In the spacious pot, there was a seedling named Sunny. Ah, glorious sunlight! Sunny stretched his leaves wide to soak up the golden rays. There was plenty of space for his roots to dance freely under the soil. In the crowded pot, a tiny seedling named Wren was feeling squished. Wren and the 19 other seedlings were all trying to grow up through the same tiny patch of dirt. "Excuse me, I need some light," whispered Wren, but the seedlings next to him were already leaning over to grab the sunshine. The limited water and nutrients also had to be shared by 20 tiny roots. Linnea checked on the pots every week. The plants in the spacious pot grew tall and strong. Their stems were thick, and their leaves were large, drinking up all the sun they could find. But in the crowded pot, the sunflowers were spindly and pale. They were so busy competing for the little food and water they had, they couldn't grow big. They stayed short and weak. Linnea learned that day that even if you have the best soil and sun, plants need their own personal space to find enough light, water, and nutrients. Just like friends need room to play, plants need room to grow.